The Audi A4 key fob from 2006 to 2010 uses a CR2032 3-volt coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task, usually taking less than 5 minutes and saving you money compared to dealership service fees, which can be $50 to $100 in labor. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a coin. New batteries cost around $2 to $5 and are widely available. Start by locating the seam or screw on the back or side of the key fob. Carefully pry it open, avoiding damage to clips. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring correct orientation. Reassemble the fob and always test the functionality after reassembly. Work in a dry area to avoid static discharge, which can damage the fob's electronics. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented to prevent shorts. If the fob still malfunctions after battery replacement, it could indicate a deeper issue like a faulty circuit, potentially requiring professional repair around $100 to $200. Experts recommend using Panasonic or Duracell CR2032 batteries for better reliability. While replacing the battery is generally straightforward, trends indicate a move toward battery-free key fobs and smartphone integration in newer vehicles. Owners of older models may eventually consider keyless upgrades $200 to $500 instead of repeated battery changes. For now, keeping a fresh CR2032 on hand is the easiest solution.